Hi guys, welcome back. This is Shrikant. Today in this session we are going to talk about the full backup. So what is full backup and how can I do full backup of my database, right? So full backup is one kind of backup type of taking the backup of database, right? Yes. When I do full backup of any database, that time it means I will be having the backup copy of my current database, and I can take that backup copy and I can restore to another instance or another database. So it means what full backup if I have, it means I don't need to have another backup of the database, right? It is not, it is in simple, it is independent of other backup like a transactional or the differential. So full backup doesn't require the any other backup to be restored after that. Okay, so how can I do the full backup? So full backup we can do by two way. One is from the SQL query, another is from the graphical way. Okay, so let's select any database. For example, I'm having a database one. I'm trying to show you how I can do backup of any database through the GUI. First of all, select your database, then do right click, then go to the task, and then go to the backup, then click it on. Once you will click it on, then one pop-up will come, and this one backup database. So here you have to see few things like which database you are going to do backup. I'm going to do backup of database 1. Then which recovery model of your current database is, and what is your backup type. So there you will see few backup types, and I will talk about this backup type one by one. First of all, we are going to talk about full backup type. Here one more thing, copy only backup we will talk about in next video. Okay, so you don't need to do anything for taking the full backup. You just need to simply select which database do you want to take a backup, right? And you need to specify the path at which location do you want the backup once it is done. So I am going to specify the location for my backup, and I'm just specifying here db1.bak. This is the name which I'm going to specify for my backup, right? db1. I just click on OK. Now what I did, I have specified the location for the database. So db11 bank, and which will be stored as let's do, and click on OK. When you will click on OK, what will happen? Your database will be backup at one of the location. What location I had specified? I have specified D drive db1 bank. So this is the file, right? And this location you can find your backup file. This kind of backup is called as full backup. Another way to do a full backup is just, there are some syntax. Syntax start with backup of what? Backup of database, right? And then we need to specify the name of database 1 to disk. I have to specify to disk. Just specify the name. I'm giving as h column ss.bak. Okay, so when I am going to execute this command, what will happen? My system will do a database backup, which will be full database backup. One more thing, if I want to see progress one by one, let's say another backup I'm creating, and I have to see the stats. There is one property called as stats, and just select this one and run it. So what will happen? The backup will be taken, and see here the percentage. Okay, so in this way I can do the full backup, right? I have shown you how you can do a full backup by two way. One is from the GUI, another is from the query from. In next video we will be talking about the differential backup. Please wait and watch. Thanks for watching.